Becoming vegetarian is a life-transforming decision. Food is a very integrated part of human culture, and that is why you are going to face some problems that want to suck you back into the common diet of society. Hello, my name is Marinus, and in this video I'm going to talk about some problems that you might face as a vegetarian that will make it difficult to stick to this lifestyle. The first obstacle that you probably will face is your own family. Let's say that your family likes to eat meat, then they probably will give you a lot of resistance when you try to change your diet. I hope that you love your family, and I hope they love you too. And that's why their impact, their influence on your life and your decisions is huge. And that's why it's going to be difficult to deal with that. Your parents, they want you to conform to their diet, not because they don't wish you the best, but because they think they know what is best for you. They look from their own perspective and not yours. So try to watch from their perspectives in order to create some understanding. Over time, your family will get more used to it, but it's still very difficult to deal with it. The second one is people who tease you. Just like with family, there are also different kinds of people, like colleagues or even friends or whoever, that don't take on the perspective of you. And when they interact with you, they will tease you, mock you, laugh at you, make fun of you, and they all think that's just for fun. But what they don't understand is that a vegetarian person will face that multiple times with different kinds of people, and that will become very annoying very quickly. The only thing you can do is create a thick skin. You can't control people, and there will always be people that will give you resistance. And I think that is because they are not as conscious about their diet as you are, and they probably don't live as healthy as you. The third situation is with friends or even your partner. I personally did not experience this yet, but I can imagine that some people who go vegetarian might face some heavy resistance from their partner and their friends. I suggest that you really think about the relationships you have with them, the quality, and even consider to cut them out of your life. The reason why I say this is that those people, do they have the best interests for you or for themselves? I also want to warn you to not try to convert your partner, your friends, or other people. That will definitely annoy them. The fourth one is social events. If you are eating vegetarian, depending on where you are from, it can be difficult to find vegetarian meals in restaurants, on events, or wherever. And also people who you are going out with, or family you are going to dinner with, they probably don't eat vegetarian, and that can cause some feeling of loneliness. It can feel like you are standing alone in these choices. As I said, food is a very integrated part of human culture. What you can do is try to make friends with people who are also vegetarian, and just start to feel comfortable being on your own. The last one is money. There are some people that think the vegetarian lifestyle is expensive, but I can say from experience that is not the case at all. If you are going vegan, that's a different story, but living vegetarian is very easy. If you think about shopping, buying the right kinds of food, you can of course eat eggs, dairy, and you have a lot of replacements to meat. And I'm not necessarily talking about replacement meats, but you can substitute it by buying beans and that kind of stuff. I hope this video doesn't discourage you from becoming vegetarian. I just thought it was important to talk about these things. Living vegetarian has its own set of problems, and for me personally, the biggest one is that you don't conform to the masses of the society. If you want to know how to become vegetarian, if you are not one yet, you can click right here for that video. Thank you for watching, and I want to wish you a very nice day.